I'm Sandra Vergara. I'm a TV host, an artist, and also a counselor. So I met Lisa through my dear friend Sarah. Thank God for Sarah, because Lisa is a gem. You know, I had a talk show that was beauty related in 2016 called Good Work. And I was a beauty expert. So, you know, I got a PhD in beauty. I should know my stuff. So I met Lisa and I saw her pictures and I was wowed, because she was what I'm looking for, which is not to look like anybody but myself, but to enhance whatever it is that I already have. And in LA, there's a lot of people that just went a little bit too far with the enhancement. Not a good look. So she was the right choice. So I got to her office, which is so nice. It's very inviting. That's always important. You know, when you walk in, you want to feel homey. You don't want it to be an awkward waiting room. It was so welcoming, beautifully, aesthetically beautiful. And her bedside manner was like as if we've known each other for like 10 years. I don't know if that's how she is with everyone, but that's how it was with me. So immediately I asked, so what would you do with this and that? And I heard her speak, and she has a lot of knowledge, and she knows what looks great, what looks okay, what doesn't look good at all, which a lot of people, you know, it has been the case where you go and they just tell you you need all these things that you don't really need. So she really worked with me. It was so easy, painless. I went in because I was worried about my melasma. She told me exactly what to do when she did the peel, and she did this skin viv treatment that, you know, gives you a glow, and it was great. And then we addressed my melasma with a mild TCH peel, because this is important. Not a lot of people know how to treat melasma, and a lot of people would go for a laser, but Lisa knows, and thankfully she opted for a peel. And the thing is, I'm always wary, because I know that whenever I put anything in my face, the downtime, it's just intense, swelling, bruising. And with her, she has a very smooth hand, a very minimal, if any, bruising. And I bruise no matter what, but there was very minimal bruising and swelling, and that's such a relief, because, you know, life happens, we have events, we sometimes have to be in camera, and that's really important, because a bruise, a really swollen face can take you out for weeks. And with Lisa, it was like I was perfect in 2 days. And so we started with a peel, which kind of got rid of whatever melasma superficially was going on in my face, and it was an instant glowy experience. It did not hurt at all. She was constantly asking if it hurt, very careful, and it did not. Then she did Botox. I kind of wanted really like minimal, because I live off my facial expressions, and she nailed it, and did not make me look like Jack Nicholson in The Joker, as you can see. And then she did this thing that I never did before, which is skin viv. And I don't think barely anyone I know is doing it here. I think that's more of like a European sensation. And it's where she injected tiny beads of hyaluronic acid all over my face. And that was a lot of needles. And I took it like a champ. And I had my glow up. A week later, I was at a party and everyone's like, "You look so good. What did you do?" And I'm like, "Went to Lisa." Look, no judgment. A lot of people like a lot of, you know, big enhancements, big lips. Everything's okay, anything goes. But if you want the natural look that looks like you were born this way, that you woke up like this, you gotta go to Lisa, because she will nail it. She will give you the natural look, and nobody would ever think you had work done. Another thing that a lot of women and my girlfriends, they're always worried about their boyfriends like finding out that they did something, that beautiful face is not truly organically natural. Well, Lisa will help you with that, because nobody ever found out when I did it. I have been around and I've seen a lot of beauty estheticians, doctors, MDs, nurses, nurse practitioners that do this kind of thing. And I'm confident in saying that I trust Lisa at Giffen Aesthetics with my life, and that is my face. And blindly, I really highly recommend that if you want anything done, and that especially if you're skeptical of or fearful of what would it look like or if they're gonna mess you up, go to Lisa, because that's a safe bet that you're gonna look like your best, like the best version of yourself.